welcome back to Time with Yeye, and today we're going to be reading Wally. Wally was a small bird who lived high up in a tree. One day, she laid an egg. It was small, spotty, and absolutely perfect in every way. Wally jumped up and down in excitement. The branch wobbled and her egg rolled down onto Gemma Giraffe, who was munching the leaves from Wally's box. The egg rolled down Gemma's neck, did a somersault and landed. In the meadow with the zebras, they were eating breakfast and gave Wally's egg a big kick, which made it fly towards the crocodile pond where Colin Crocodile was swimming. He opened his mouth, closed his eyes, and waited. But luckily, Eleanor Elephant slopped up the egg into her trunk. She whooshed it out and into the branches of the monkey puzzle tree, where Mavis Monkey caught it and threw it to her friend, who carefully passed it from tree to tree and back to Wally. Crack, crack, crack! When Wally's baby hatched, it was small, yes, spotty, yes, and absolutely perfect in every way. The end. So guys, today's new word is absolutely, and it's spelled ABSOLUTELY. Another word for absolutely is completely or totally. I hope you enjoyed today's reading. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Until we meet again, have a brilliant week. Bye, love ya. Thanks for watching Time with Yeye.